సబ్ లెఫ్టినెంట్స్ కౌముదిని త్యాగి రీతి సింగ్లను హెలికాప్టర్ స్ట్రీమ్లో అబ్జర్వర్లుగా సెలెక్ట్ చేసింది ఇండియన్ నేవీ. అబ్జర్వర్లుగా సెలెక్ట్ కావడంపై కుముదిని రీతి సింగ్లు ఫుల్ హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నారు. శత్రువులను గుర్తించడం, టార్గెట్స్ ని పాయింట్అవుట్ చేయడం తన జాబ్ అని రీతి సింగ్ తెలిపింది. ఇండియన్ ఫైటర్ ఎయిర్ క్రాఫ్ట్స్ లో పైలట్ తో పాటు అబ్జర్వర్ కూడా ఉంటారని, ఆయుధాలు, కంట్రోల్, సెన్సార్స్ అన్ని తన కంట్రోల్లోనే ఉంటాయని రీతి సింగ్ వివరించారు. ఎలాంటి పరిస్థితి ఎదురైనా ఫేస్ చేసేందుకు తాము మెంటల్ గా, ఫిజికల్ గా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యామన్నారు కుముదిని త్యాగి. 60 గంటల ట్రైనింగ్ కంప్లీట్ చేశామని చెప్పారు. తమ ఇన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఎప్పుడూ తమను జెండర్ కారణంగా వివక్షతో చూడలేదన్నారు.
Because to be an observer is just one single step which we have taken now. The distance which we have to cover in future is far. Yes, definitely challenges would be there, but Navy has prepared us in such a way that whatever challenges will come through our ways, we'll be able to accomplish them. So yes, we are mentally and physically prepared for that. So yes, we are thrilled that we'll be we are the first, we'll be on helicopters as an observers. So definitely it's a moment of pride and thrilling experience would be there. We have 60 hours of flying including night sorties and the simulator flying. Our instructors, our OIC CIs have never discriminated us that you are a lady of women officers, you are a male officer, nothing like that. We are an officer, we are a soldier, we have been treated in the same manner. We are doing something new which has never been done before. Being a part of history is not an opportunity that everybody gets, so I'm feeling really proud of myself and the Navy as a whole. I think we have been trained enough. Whatever challenges will come our way, I think we will take it bang on. The Navy is working on us every day. We are learning something new every day. There will definitely be challenges. At the end of the day, we are talking about a warship over here, but I think we are very excited and we are not getting bogged down by the fact that there are going to be challenges. We are looking forward, in fact, to facing challenges over there. So basically in the Indian Navy, on most of our fixed wing and rotary wing aircrafts, along with the pilot, we have something called an observer. So observer, other than the fact that he assists the pilot in navigating the aircraft, does a lot more, because all of the weapon control, the tactical control in the aircraft and all the sensors on the aircraft, that is the basic radar on the aircraft, the ESM on the aircraft, everything will be in my control tomorrow when I go sit in that helicopter. So homing onto a target, designating that who is our enemy, who is our friend, deciding who we will fire a weapon on, deciding when that moment is that I will launch a torpedo, everything tomorrow will be in my hands. So basically this is something that the observer in the Indian Navy does.